Hello everyone, my name is Professor Erdoğan Ekiz. I am the founding Dean of Hospitality Management and Tourism School at Central Asian University. Right now you are in the critical point of deciding your future. If you choose to study hospitality and tourism for your future, Central Asian University is the right decision for you for several reasons. We are providing a double degree program, Swiss, HTMI and Uzbek degree. This 3-year program will benefit you in several ways. Number 1, it is an international recognized degree. Number 2, it is only 3 years. Number 3, our partners will provide you job guarantee while you are studying your program. You will already have great connections both nationally and internationally. Our professor, globally recognized, and our partner, international, are here to be part of your education journey. Here is the right time to study tourism and hospitality. So we are waiting for your applications. Come on, invest in your future and the future of tourism and hospitality of Uzbekistan. Thank you.